Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video, a brand new review, and a brand new pair of sneakers from Yeezy brand, and that is the 380s in the Mist colorway. For me personally, this is the first time I have got a 380 in hand. Oh, it's weird seeing that 380 box. I don't know whether it is for you, but I'm just not used to that yet. Here they are, the brand new Yeezy 380 in the Mist colorway. Now, the Yeezy 380 came in two different renditions, and that was, of course, the reflective colorway and the non-reflective. I don't know whether it's a colorway, but the reflective version and the non-reflective version, which is what I have right here. The reflective version released on February the 29th, and they retail for $250, £200. Now, they were kind of like a Yeezy Supply shock drop exclusive, so I wasn't able to get my hands on them. But the non-reflective coming in pretty easy to get, full family sizing, March 25th release date, $250, £200. These went down. Now I'm talking down in price. Like, you can get a pair, I'm pretty sure, for under retail, which is pretty crazy. Now, apart from the fact that it seems like not very many people want these, and I can kind of chalk that down to a few different things. I have heard some negative things about this colorway, people just not really liking it, but I think the main reason why is because of everything that's going on right now, and you know, because you're probably stuck at home like we all are. So with all that out of the way, let's get straight into the materials and just how nice these shoes are. It is this all over prime knit material, which starts on the toe box as it's substantial, right? It's not stretchy. And as it moves up towards the ankle area, it gets more and more stretchy to where this part is very stretchy, so you can obviously get your foot inside the shoe. Either sides, both the lateral and the medial side, you do get this kind of organic alien scratch mark looking thing. It almost looks like melted plastic. On the lateral side, it is in this kind of sandy tan color. And on the medial, it just goes straight with that same gray as the rest of the shoe. There is loads of perforation holes, which are pretty much the same size as the lace holes. You can see them all over the lateral side as well as all over the medial size. I guess maybe you could lace them differently. I don't think that it will look that great, but you could if you wanted to. This material on the side where I said it's like this scratch mark, that is the same material as you'll find on the translucent stripe that you get on the Yeezy 350s. Now, moving over to the midsole, you do have this translucent rubber encasing of boost. Very, very thick, large amount of boost on this shoe, which definitely translates to it being super comfortable. You haven't got yourself a pair of 380s yet, I'm gonna pretty much just break down some of the more different things that you probably need to know about, that they do fit a little bit snug. This toe box region, the prime knit is quite taut, it's quite tough, it's quite rigid, it's not very stretchy, so you find that your toes kind of bunch together at the bottom, and if I could get a different size, I'd probably go up half a size. People are holding on to their cash, so I wouldn't expect anything to resell crazy right now. Heard negative things about this shoe. I don't know whether this is just a shoe that bricked and it would have done that without everything going on or not, but it's still sold out. Considering everything, it's still sold out. Comfortability, like, I mean, geez, if we're really gonna compare these to the 350s, it's just different. It's different, okay? One of the main things being that this ankle collar is so high and it is so like, it's like a sock on your foot. And that is a pro or a con. Personally, I don't mind it. It changes things up a bit. I think it looks quite cool, but overall comfortability, this gets super, super high score. This is one of the most comfortable shoes I have worn. And I think it's just because of that match made in heaven, which is prime knit mixed with super comfortable boost. In terms of Yeezy releases, this is one of the last shoes to release that has a solid release date. And given the kind of the situation we're in right now, I don't really know when we're going to see another Yeezy again. So this may be the virus 380s or whatever you want to call them. This is going to be something that people remember this drop by, because we may not see another pair of Yeezys until this all blows over. So let me know, what do you actually think about this colorway? Did it tank because you're just not feeling it, or is it because people are holding on to their money and they're not buying shoes right now? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.